Today is Saturday. It's our third day of Jeremiah's baseball tournament. So, we're here. Ito ba yung Diamond 1?
There's Matthew.
Yeah, okay, so they're gonna be here at Diamond 1. Going here to our yan po.
Sa Dunkin Donuts sila na.
They eat breakfast. Yun sila.
Oo nga, may Dunkin Donut. Hindi pa tayo nakakaano ng Dunkin Donut.
Saan ba tayo nakakita ng Dunkin Donut kahapon?
Saan tayo nakakita ng Dunkin Donut eh?
Oo.
It was
Nadaanan lang natin.
when we were looking for the Burling. No, it was when we were looking for somewhere to eat. Remember?
Yeah.
Ay, oo nga.
Dunkin Donut.
It's
Pilipinas ba ang Dunkin Donut?
It's across the street from the mall we went to the other.
So maybe we can get before we go home.
Ading!
Have a good game, okay?
Ading!
Have fun.
Crush them, Ading!
Crush them, ading.
Have fun.
Sabi ni ano? Ading, as Les said, have fun!
Have
Fun, okay? Only fun.
only fun. Yes.
Sabi ni Les, have fun.
That's why Ading is not cutting his hair. That's where he gets his strength. Kaya hindi siya nagpapagupit eh. Because that's what is getting his strength.
Okay, hindi ka pa nag-spray, oh.
Spray.
Yung mukha mo, anak ko, ang itim-itim na. Pwede ba sprayan mo yung ano?
Yeah. Put some sunscreen. Yan. Nag-prepare na siya.
Sunscreen sa face. Bakit yung ginagamit mo yung old na ano? Old na ano mo sa
That's his new gloves.
ay,
New. Dala-dalawa pa. Oh.
bakit ka ba galit? Di ba pwedeng humiti naman?
Kasi hindi pa nga siya nag-ano.
Naman na. Wala man lang ako makitang ngiti.
Masyadong mahal ang ngiti niya. So here, yan po, nandito na po uli kami. Third day na po niya. Ayan, si Tita siya there. We're gonna be here until 6 o'clock.
Dapat pala
Two
kita
games.
nagja-jogging na tayo, hindi tayo nag-aantay ng kape na naman.
Magja-jogging tayo sa loob ng mall. Yan kami. So, yan. So we're gonna be here for a while. Okay.
Bakit tuwag lang sila? Kala ko 13 sila.
They always have 3 people on the bench.
Tingnan mo yung ano niya, meron na pangitaas.
Pwede na yung paper. Si Yugo. Yeah, Yugo na... Who is that?
Ang ganda. Oh.
I like the light blue, absolute blue socks with the white flowers. I don't like the one with the blue.
Nasaan yung gusto dito? Hindi mo meron sila.
They only want for the people who wear the mask. You know, the people that wear the socks. Ryan doesn't wear that. He wears the outside. He just doesn't wear them outside his pants.
Nagpapalit na naman kambal. Kambal yata sila.
You said that yesterday.
Hindi kami lang.
Sabi ko magpapapicture ako sa kanila eh.
Hindi, baka Hindi, huwag mo yan. Baka magalit sila sa'yo. Hihingi pa sila naman.
Ay, bayad.
Papabayad sila na sa Aalis na sila, magbibihis na.
KBS ang
Panibagong damit nila.
Yan po yung dalawang ampar. Kambal po yan. Nandun sila sa field. Nandun si Jeremiah. Oh. Number 17. Yan. Okay. 10 o'clock pa po ang ano nila. 10 o'clock pa. Galing.
Ay!
Hi, we're done with the first game of Jeremiah. So the second game is gonna be later at 2 o'clock. So right now, break time muna kami, mag-lunch muna kami. So light lang daw ang gusto nila. So we're gonna be at McDonald's. Kasi ito po yung pinakamalapit. But later on, they're gonna have their dinner sa Olive Green Restaurant. So we're here at the McDonald's. Big game sila. So dito po kami. Oh, nice here. It's cool. Maganda yun, oh. $1.99 feet. Later again, so we're just gonna eat here at McDonald's, and then later on we're going back to the field. Okay, bye, see ya.
Tignan mo ang naghihila nung wagon si ano. Tapos si Coach Rob, yun lang bag ang dala.
It's just my powder and my
The heating codes. The Blue Jays can't hit.
yeah. Nakipagpangako
It's
ng
their heating code.
cellphone ko kay ate. Dahil hindi ka siya. Thank you.
Naglakad siya sa graduate. Run.
Ano makikita ang home run dito? No.
Wala siguro. Pag nawala na siguro yung bola, yun ang home run.
Puntay mo dito yung bola.
Ball 2,
Ball 3.
ball 3, strike 1.
Malikabok. Malikabok na ako.
Tama natin.
Malikabok. May usok.
Walk tuloy siya.
Ganda yun.
Ano? Ay, papaano kanya?
Papa.
Ay, hindi. Akala ko papapinsan. Ayan, oo, pinapapaltan.
Sino?
Si Ading.
Bakit?
Para mabilis ang tamakbo.
Hmm. Ganon.
Mm.
That's good adding. At least naglagay ka ng ano doon ng first base.